Hi everyone, welcome to Edtech with JRep. I'm Javier Rabagliati and I'm here to show you how to insert a live Google form onto a Google site. Let's go! There's more than one way to insert a live Google form onto a Google site. First, you can double-click anywhere and click on the drive icon. From the side panel, you can search for your file on any of the tabs or use the search button to filter down by the file type you need. In this case, forms. Another way to insert a live Google form into a Google site is to scroll down the sidebar until you find Forms. Once that loads, you're going to see a list of the forms you have on your Google Drive. In this case, I only have one, so I can double click on it or click once and click on Insert. That will give me a preview of my Google form on my Google site. After that, I can resize it either horizontally or vertically, and also I can check how it would look like once the site has been published. So now I'm in the published view of my Google site and I can scroll down and easily fill out my Google form from here. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Bye!